Okay, let's see. My small but very precious Zippo collections or lighters. This is the new one, brass anniversary, 35 years I think, and this one is replica for 1941, and it's a little bit different from classic Zippo. It's a little bit round edges, and just some little very small difference, but it, for me it's very maybe the most beautiful Zippo in this line up. And then I like petrol lighters because they are more durable than some gas Ronson or any gas vintage lighter. So I have this very rare clipper petrol. This is the clipper before the classic clipper, and then I have a personal, maybe the most used and liked Ronson. This is the petrol Ronson. It's very rare. I didn't see review of any like this. It has a leather finish, and like Zippo, it has metal body, and everything else is just like on the Zippo, but it's a little bit smaller body, and because of I think this thing which it holds gas petrol a bit longer than our average Zippo. And the most intriguing one is this. Nobody knows how old, who made, and but my very dear gift from my passed away friend from his dead. It works perfectly. It is I don't know it. He told me that nobody remembers when this lighter came into his family. Unfortunately, parents and grandfather already died when he gave this to me, and till today I do not find any connections to Russian or Chinese, English, American, and that's the whole beauty of this lighter. It works works perfectly, but it is persona non grata. So let's look at again. This is Ronson knows how to make a beautiful lighter. My first lighter in my life was the classic Ronson. We called it rocket or 60 style inspired gift from my grandfather, who works in Paris, smoke gitan, and when he saw me I smoke, he gave me that Ronson, and still today I bought maybe, not to lie, more than 20 Ronsons, not a new one, try to make one that will be usable and have Ronson again, but everyone have a problem with diphthongs, and in Serbia we have only one man who make a full service and don't give any warranty. So when I discovered this one, that was a revelation. Thank you. And if somebody knows what the fuck is this, leave me a message or don't. Thank you.